Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, thank you so much, God bless you. And if you're my returning subscriber, I love you guys, like seriously I love you guys like always. And if it's today is your first time of coming across my channel, hi, my name is Vivian. I was the founder of Living Organic Skincare. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a very effective Molato or 4D ultra whitening Molato facial soap. Yes, like this is a requested video. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that to satisfy my subscriber. Okay, so this soap is going to be very effective. You're going to take off hyperpigmentation, you're going to take out dark spots from your face, it's going to clarify your face, give you a uniform looking face, and also it's going to whiten your face in a very safe way. You guys know how we do it in this channel. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please support your girl, like support me. Okay, support me by subscribing, okay, subscribing and liking and also commenting in this channel. Right, drop your comments, subscribe, share my video, and let's move on to this video. Okay, so these are my base soap now. These are the base. I've already shrink my base soap because I don't want to prolong the video. Okay, so but I'm going to be showing you guys all the thing that I like, the soaps I shrink in here. Soap I shrink in here now is this one here. This is K Brothers papaya soap, face soap. Okay, this is K Brothers papaya face soap, and I have K Brothers carrots. I don't know if you're saying it's K Brothers carrots. Okay, and I have K Brothers yes, K Brothers cola plus collagen whitening face soap. Okay, this soap is super dope, very lovely. I can't go in details in telling you the ingredients and what they are, but the K Brothers take off dark spots. And here I have my this is papaya gluta soap. This soap is so lovely as well. This soap is so good, And I have my this soap here. I have my, is it herbal? Yes, extra herbal whitening face soap, like extra herbal whitening soap plus collagen. This soap contains goat milk and collagen. Yes, and it's a very good soap. And I have my this other one here. Wait, okay, this is collagen beauty care face apps. It's very good soap, vitamin C. So this soap is superb. So next I have this Fit Gold papaya and gluta extra whitening soap plus. Wow, this soap is so good. Like use it and bait, it's going to give you that smooth texture. Like another one I have is Fit Gold alpha arbutin plus AHA and collagen. Yes, kojic total whitening soap, 3-in-1 whitening soap. This soap is super dope, very lovely. Okay, so I have here I have my Fit Gold rice and milk face soap. Like this soap is so good. This is it contains this soap is for anti-aging, soft and smooth sun. It contains sunscreen with vitamin A, C and B. Yeah, extreme whitening plus. Like seriously, this soap is boom. Wow, please ignore the noise. My baby and the siblings are there playing out there. Okay, and she's crying, so I have to do this video, guys. Yes, and I have here my this is my Nature Secret carrots. You guys know this soap now, so I don't want to talk much about this soap. And I have my Nature Secret argan oil. Guys, I've introduced you guys to all the base soap that I use. Those are the base soap, and I have to shrink it with my this thing there. So this is basically for this session. So we're going to go into the next session in watering down this soap. I'll introduce you guys to the next ingredients for this formulation. Okay, please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Please, my lovely ones, consider subscribing to this channel, liking and also sharing this video. Don't also forget to drop your comments, and as well as turning on your notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video. So guys, in here I'm going to be adding my powders now. Okay, in here I powders. I have my whitening powders here. Okay, I have my collagen powder, my rice powder, my niacinamide powder. All right, my alpha butane powder. Okay, my, look at it here. So I'm going to be adding this into the mixture now. Then in here I have my glutathione powder. Okay, my glutathione powder, I'm going to be adding it here. And here I have my licorice root powder. On this, that is my licorice root and my glutathione powder. So guys, pardon me, I'm using one hand to hold my phone. Yes, I'm using one hand. So I'm going to be adding this is my kenwood powder, 1 tablespoon of, I'm adding my kenwood powder, 1 tablespoon. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding my turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Yeah. So I've added in my turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to be adding my orange peel. This is my orange peel. Orange peel is very, very good exfoliant. Okay, this is very good. So 1 tablespoon. So now I'm adding in my Carolites, the whole bottle of my Carolites. Okay, this, I told you guys, this is our 4D ultra whitening facial soap. Okay, our facial Molato soap. You can as well add this one if you are making it for your body. Okay, this is also good for dark spots. Okay, this one or citro clear, you can use this or citro clear for your dark spots. This is Carolites, carotene, carotene light and natural as well, carotene serum, black spots corrector serum. This one is so good. So I'm going to be adding this now. This soap is going to be so very effective, guys. Like seriously, it's going to be very, very effective. Like I said though, this soap is not for dark, it's not for dark people, guys. So I'm going to be adding my more white serum. Okay, this is my more white serum. I just have half of it. I just have half, not all. I'm going to be adding that half into this mixture. Sorry, pardon me. I'm using one hand to do this video, guys. So I've added that today. I'm just being careful because of my hands, to work on knuckle is not small, So guys, I'll be adding my pigmentation serum. Yes, I'm going to be adding my pigmentation serum to the mixture. So we have added in our mango butter. Now I want to add in this cleanser, guys. This is a Dermalux cleanser. Okay, Paris. This cleanser, I'm going to be adding it. You can as well use Santander face lotion. Okay, cleanser the face on for this mixture. Okay, I'm going to be adding this. I'm not adding the whole of it, so please, just want to add half of this. This is just half. Okay, it's okay. So guys, I added in half of that Dermalux. So I'm going to be using my this this is my K Brothers. Okay, K Brothers body wash. This is the papaya. You can use the carrot or anyone. I will use it to water down this soap now. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to water down my soap. It's thick. It's thick. I'm not going to put everything in, please. I didn't put everything. Just want to put the one that will be okay for this mixture. Okay, That is our K Brothers papaya. Okay, so guys, I want to add this citron clear oil for black spots and all the rest. Okay, I will be adding this. What I have is not even up to half, just I'm going to be adding the whole of it. Okay, that is citron clear oil. So guys, next I'll be adding in this my DIY whitening serum. This is my yellow CC, like this serum, if you don't want white, don't come close to this serum, oh please. If you don't want to be white, like when I mean want to be white, don't come to this serum. This serum is super dope effective. So I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. This is very in fact, this is the most active ingredient in this soap making now. This is the 100 ml. This one is also available for sale. You can as well buy and rebrand. This is a whitening booster, my whitening booster. Yes, very effective. Even using this serum alone, my sister, if you know one white, no order for this serum, I beg. You can use it alone, you can use it as your booster, but if you are using it alone, only at night. Yes, so I've added in all the serum, that is 100 ml of it, to the mixture. Okay, and that our oil is so moisturizing. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of my glycerin. Okay, you can use your vegetable, you can use your whitening glycerin. I'm using this one because already this soap already is active. Like, it's not even up to, this is like 30 ml. It's like 30 ml. I'm going to be using it. Add it. I want the soap to be so moisturizing. So guys, I'm going to be adding my Shenick Perfect Leg. I'm supposed to use the either Shenick 3 days result or the Shenick for fix, but this I don't, those are out of stock, so I'm going to be using this now. Look at it. So I'm gonna just like that is a tablespoon. Yes, it's okay. No, it puts more than that. Guys, we have added everything remaining. This our vitamin E bar. I need to wear my glove so that before I'll start mixing every other thing. Okay, I need to wear my gloves to avoid knuckles. I saw hair to treat these knuckles, so I need to wear my glove now before I start mixing all this stuff. I don't have to use my hand this way and mix it. It's a whitening soap we are making, so I don't have to mess up my hand using my hand doing this. Okay, so I'll wear my glove now. So guys, you guys know we are making a face soap. I want to add this aloe vera gel. Okay, let's add as a cooling this thing on it. Okay, aloe vera gel. This is very good for the face. It's going to help in tackling any reaction or irritation on the face. So I've added in our aloe vera gel. I've added it into the mixture. Then I need to turn it now. To turn this now very well. Make sure everything incorporates together very well. Okay, so guys, after turning this now, cover this to sit for like 3 days. Okay, after 3 days, then we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so you guys know that I said I added in Vitgo soap, the pineapple on 2 pieces, the papaya on Vitgo 2 pieces, then the rice on one of it, then Nature Secret argan 1, Nature Secret carrot 1, then other ones are 2 or 1 piece. So I've finished mixing this very well. Now I'll leave it to sit for 3 days. Okay, I'll cover this tight for 3 good days. After 3 days, then I will come back and we'll continue from there. I'll show you guys the outcome. Okay, show you guys how the outcome looks like. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing my video. Also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. So guys, look at our soap. Our soap is ready. This is after 3 days. I told you guys that I'll cover this soap for 3 days. After 3 days, today is the 4th day. Yes, I just finished blending the soap, then I packed it here. Okay, and I added vitamin E. I added in like 15 pieces of my vitamin E to this mixture. Okay, then you can as well increase the if you want, you can increase the skin free milk. You can increase the pigmentation. You can add more, one bottle. I added 1 bottle again of my pigmentation, yes, into this mixture. Then my vitamin E, that was what I added. Okay, yes, so you can as well make your own this way, and it's going to come out so lovely. All right, this is after the 3rd day. Today is the 4th. I just finished blending this soap now, and I packed it here. And this soap is for one of my customers. Okay, so this soap, I'm making it for somebody. I customized this soap for somebody, and this soap you are sure of getting 3 shades lighter from your face. Okay, this soap is super dope effective, and it's very, very good, and it's going to give you a brightening, and it's going to take off dark spots and glow, and take off hyperpigmentation from your face. Guys, this soap is super dope, very effective, and it's going to whiten your face in a very safe way. Okay, but use the right ingredients, and believe me guys, all the ingredients I used in here making the soap is not expensive ingredients. Okay, it's something you can easily get in any organic shop, and when you buy your ingredient, buy from a trusted seller. Okay, person that will give you original products. Okay, all right guys, this is basically for this video. I've showed you guys everything that I added in here. I didn't skip any one. Apart this video, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a whole thumbs up, like and share my video, and also subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.